So here I am, folks, behind the waterfall, the Henrhyd Isaf Waterfall in Wales, and I'm stood in the cave underneath the waterfall. You can see there's quite a big cave here, and we've got this layer of soft mudstone here. Look, you can see it is the preferentially eroded layer, and then above it we've got sandstones which have got bulges on the bottom, which would suggest that they were laid down in flood conditions and sunk slightly into the mudstones due to their weight. Can't see any evidence of mud volcanoes, which sometimes you get, and certainly some of the sandstone layers over mudstone in Cornwall exhibit sand volcanoes or flame casts, but I can't see any here. I'll do another video on flame casts another time. But what we've got here, so what I'm stood on, very hard sandstone. We've got this layer of mudstone here, very weak mudstone, which is preferentially eroded due to the turbulence of the water coming over the waterfall. And then we've got sandstone above, which gradually progresses out and out and out and out and out until it forms that massive layer right at the top, which is what's supporting the waterfall. And that's why you're able to go behind the waterfalls in South Wales, because the water here is what I would call a typical waterfall, where you've got a hard layer with a softer layer beneath it. The softer layer erodes, and then eventually the harder layer is left supported in mid-air and can no longer self-support, and then collapses, and you get this massive cliff as a result. Eventually this will all fall. You can see some fallen sandstone blocks there. Some of these look fairly recent, in all fairness, and I suspect that this waterfall still continues to erode, and you can see those big blocks of sandstone down the river as it goes down. Really low water level here today, folks. Climate change is happening around us. This is supposed to be one of the biggest waterfalls in South Wales, and it's certainly the tallest waterfall in South Wales. But today it's got virtually no water going over it at all. So there we go, folks. Thought I'd show you what it's like to be stood inside an erosional feature behind a waterfall. Have a great day. I've been the Down to Earth Geologist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.